Okay, hello, welcome back. It is day 176, I believe, of coding every day. Um, so, uh, Today I just did another leak code. Um, Yesterday I did the same thing. I didn't have time to record my video over. Definitely been slacking this week a little bit. I shouldn't say this whole week. These last two days I've been slacking. I haven't worked on knock at all. It's just been last minute. I've been doing a leak code. I need to. My sleep schedule is also really bad right now, so I'm going to clean up my apartment tonight, go home tomorrow, and then go come back here tomorrow night, clean up some more, and load up my car with some stuff, and then uh, and then on Monday, my parents are gonna come up, and we're gonna get everything else that's in here and move it all out, and then clean up the rest of the apartment. Um, so just focused on that. I booked my hotels for going down to Texas. I need to get a haircut tomorrow because this is getting crazy. I mean, I've been needing a haircut for weeks now. It is disgustingly long. Um, so I'll do that, and then yeah, I want to get more work on done on Knock, like I said, because I wanted a beta working version of that by the time I got down to Texas. So definitely need to put in some work this next week. So yeah, but that's it. I haven't been doing much, so not much to talk about. Leak code today was pretty easy, just a breath first search with making. I mean, it had the heuristic, um, you know, aspect to it, which was different, kind of. But yeah, so that's about it. Um, I will see you tomorrow for day 177, I think, and hopefully work on knock. Take care. Bye.